So the kids and I are on a Disney cruise this week. We're on the Disney Dream, and one of the interesting things that you can do on a Disney cruise is participate in a fish extender program. And you might be wondering, well, what is a fish extender program? Have heard the term tossed around, but I was not sure what it was. So I'm going to walk y'all through the whole thing and show you what it is because we decided to participate this time, and it's been really fun. So outside of every door on the ship is this fish. And a fish extender is when you attach something like this to it. And I had this made on Etsy and I had it personalized. This one says Cruising with Mickey, the Mommy Travis family, and then you'll see our names on it. And even though Noah's not with us, I went ahead and added him because hopefully this is not our first and last cruise. Hopefully we'll do this game. So if you want to participate in the fish extender program, you're going to want to go to Facebook, and on Facebook you're going to find a group, and it's going to be named Disney Dream Cruise February 23rd through 26th. I'm just using that as an example because that's what my group was called, and it'll say fish extenders. And so everyone that wants to participate in this program has joined this Facebook group, and in that group they're going to have a Google Doc. When you find out your cabin number, you'll go into the Google Doc, put in your family name, your room number, the ages of the people in the group, if they're boy or girl, because it's mainly for the kids. And then you get assigned a group, and you can kind of determine like how many families you want to do this for. Right now I'm in a group with 6 other people, so I have 5 other families that I brought presents for to put in their fish extenders, and they did the same for me. So every time we come back to the room, we're finding like little surprises in the pouches. And so a lot of people just bagged up the product and they just drop it in, and it's a little gift. There are a ton of really cool, neat fish extender ideas all over the internet that you can find, and I just want to show y'all some of the ones that we've gotten that I thought were really cool. So we got a couple of beach bags, and I thought that was super fun. That's a perfect gift for a mom. You're going to be going to the beach, and it's great because these have the little holes in them so the sand will shake right out. I thought this was really cute. Salty air makes tangled hair, and it's got the 2 characters from Tangled, and it's got a hairband, a couple of hairbands in there. This one says all you need is faith, trust, and pixie dust, and it's some glitter makeup. I thought that was really cute. They made like little party packs for the kids, and the theme inside of it is a pirate. So the cruise that we're on has a pirate night. Now, not all cruises have this, but if you are doing one that has a pirate night, this might be a really good idea. There's some pirate rings in there and some other themed stuff. If you're on a Star Wars cruise, you could do Star Wars. If you're on a superhero cruise, you could do Avenger stuff. These I thought were really cute. These are handmade Disney Dream Cruise 2018 in the Disney font, and then talks about it's got her family name on it. And then looks like somebody made some sunglass holders. So one for Jonah, one for Eden, so boy and girl. And then these are coffee koozies. So if you have a cup of coffee, you can wrap that around it and protect your hand from being burned. Of course, candy is always a good idea. Lots of candy. We got our first aid kits, some playing cards. We got some lanyards, so unless this is your 2nd or 3rd time to cruise, they do not give you lanyards when you board the cruise ship. Hold your key card. Your kid's going to need your key card, or they each need their own key card, so a lanyard's a great idea. I thought these were particularly cute. Little tiny bags, and it says pick some seashells. So tomorrow when we're at the beach, they can collect some seashells and put them in these little bags. And then lotions and soaps are always cool. A cool gift for tweens and teens. So we've got some scented hand sanitizers and some perfumes. I thought it was cute that one is called Dream because we are on the Disney Dream. This one's super funny. For your laundry because Cinderella is off duty. Amen to that. No laundry on vacation unless you just have to. Is a Minnie's Manny. And again, they use the Disney font. And then inside of it is a fingernail file and some pink polish.